Starra, why you getting your nails done?
Cause my report card.
You can say why.
I
Because
student achievement.
honor roll.
Oh yeah.
Got the honor roll and A's and B's on your report card. So you can get your nails done.
You're in a wing today, huh?
Okay, so my nails are really jacked up now. It's time to get these bad boys fixed. I chipped on them. I did all kind of stuff to them. I'm not finished. I'm not finished.
I'm cold throat.
Alright, we out of the nail salon. This is our nail.
I got this color.
She got silver.
And Starra got
A light baby.
soft blue.
Babyish blue.
Okay, let me show mine since you got it still. Plain.
Anyways, we finna go get some bubble tea. And then we're gonna head home with Jason and Kit Kat.
What? Jason, you mean your daddy?
Tattle and Kit Kat. And
What is that you keep hitting?
let's just roll with us. Y'all, we just got our fruit. Alright, so I'm gonna put this camera. Yeah, just smash it in. Alright.
So here's what my bubble tea looks like.
Yeah. Stop, let me get it. Hold the camera. Alright, Alright, I'm trying to 3, 2.
It's so good. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it tastes like strawberry milk. It's like strawberry.
Look where you got the camera at.
Go. It's like a strawberry. It's like a strawberry milkshake. Let's just say that. Alright, I'm stuck this camera because I gotta go driving now. I gotta put on my seatbelt. We're at Bath, Body, and Beyond.
Bed,
Bath, Bath,
Bed,
and
Bath.
Beyond.
Bed,
And
Bath. Bed,
Bed, Bath, and Beyond. What do we need from you?
Okay, so we coming here to look for a candle warmer because we don't know if I've looked at Walmart, Target, nobody had it. So I thought I'd come here to find it. And if they playing music, y'all already know the rules will be like. Okay. So where will we look at? This way, come on. I'm guessing it should be in houseware.
This is houseware.
Huh?
This is houseware.
The cleaning aisle?
Why would it be in the cleaning?
I don't know. Decorate? Store and tidy? Okay.
Let's keep going. Come on.
Wow. It's really nice.
I want a bed like this.
You mean you want a blanket like this?
Bed.
Which feels nice. I didn't know UGG had a line.
How did you not know that? They've been having one.
What's that, Starra?
Oh yeah. Okay, so this is like this is a projector that can like shoot colors and stars and stuff like in the night, but in different colors and stuff. See? And like different colors on like the wall and stuff, and it comes with a projector. So you can, you know, look at it. Stop the cool.
Gen Z.
And that's the other side. Oh, this is my blanket. Look. If you were Mexican and your mom had to triangle out in here.
Sorry, that's travel stuff. Since when they started carrying all of this stuff?
It says Bath and Beyond.
Paul Mitchell? What? Get out of town.
Little hill.
Okay. I heard of raw sugar.
Who's a brush?
It's called raw sugar. It's the name of the brand.
Oh, no one told me they had different flavors. Orange sugar soap.
That's the tea tree. And the light purple is lavender.
Oh.
So I'm gonna look around here.
Like, what does it look like?
Like a plate, a round plate.
Oh yeah, they're over here.
I like the lids. Go.
They're down here. Did you like want a wooden one?
No,
Oh, this is
that's not it. That smells good. I don't see it. I didn't know this thing was crooked. Okay, so we found the
stuff we were looking for.
candle warmer. We found it at Homes. We found it. I didn't film it there because I figured, oh, I'm not gonna film it there because they're not gonna have it, but they did.
At Homes had it.
Yeah, so I brought it with a candle. This candle right here is pomelo. I found this candle in there. All right, come on and focus.
Come on.
Do what you do. Hold on, wait. Let me put the camera. Let me put the camera down.
That's what I was looking for because I never tried it.
Starra, go get my tea. Man, why this thing ain't focusing? It's weird. Okay, I think that's it. Anyway, yeah, I got this candle to go on the candle warmer. And I found this mug that says, always my mother, forever my friend. So, yeah, always my mother, forever my friend.
Alright.
I thought it was so pretty. I was like, ooh. I'm trying to get the, you know, the paper that be on the stuff. Get that off. And what else we got?
This cute little small backpack. What is
Starra got this backpack
which was adorable.
that came with all of this.
And this is what the backpack looks like.
So we just decided to sit at the table.
Roll it.
No, I threw the box. Sit at the table and just look through the stuff.
And then
Let
I
me
got
get that paper. I'm trying this one. Then she got this.
what I can make things out of.
She can make bracelets and stuff like that. So she got a nice treat for her
Report card. Including I got my nails done too.
So, and then what your nails look like? We showed them the rest of your nails. Starra got blue.
Baby blue.
A light blue, and I got
Sugar. Gold.
shimmers or whatever. I can't even really see. I don't know. The camera don't do it justice, so. But it's like a clear color. But we can go ahead and end this off, Starra, because I think we got enough footage, right?
No, we don't. What you think?
Yeah, I think we do. We did the nails. We did the boba tea.
Boba.
Bubble.
Mom's in the refrigerator getting cold. She don't want her to be cold.
It's cold enough for me.
And then
I got coconut milk with passion fruit.
I think I'm gonna make one now.
Little bubbles, so. Yeah, that was me and Starra, a little outing today.
That was actually a girl's day technically.
Oh, well. Ew. We thank y'all for watching.
Hit that bell to be notified.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're new to our channel, what are you waiting for? It's
Free. And we're gonna konnichiwa you to the like button.
what? She said we're gonna konnichiwa you to the button. Alright, y'all. See y'all in the next video.
I'm gonna make me a little squishy. I'm gonna make a little strawberry.
Yep, she finna work on this here.
Oh, and then get on my homework.
So, bye y'all. Tell them bye. Bye.
Peace out.